If you're looking to learn more about the vibrant life and communities in and around Kansas City, you've come to the right place. I'm Payne, your local realtor and community enthusiast. I'm here to give you the inside scoop on everything from the hidden gems of our neighborhood to the bustling market trends. I've got you covered. So grab a cup of coffee, or my favorite, a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore together what makes Kansas City truly unique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates and insights. I get calls, texts, DMs, and emails every day from people just like you who are looking for help to make a move to Kansas City, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're buying, selling, or building in a week or in a year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so that I can help you make a smooth move to Kansas City. Today, we're talking about the VA home loan. Did you know that one of the most powerful home buying tools available to military families is often overlooked and even more often misunderstood? It's called the VA home loan. And if you haven't used it yet, you could be missing out. There are a lot of myths out there that might be holding you back. Let's bust those myths wide open so you can take full advantage of the benefits that you've earned. Stay tuned, because what you learn today might just help you land your dream home. Let's break down the top 10 myths about the VA loan. Myth number 1, VA loans are only for first-time home buyers. This is a big one. Many people think that you can only use your VA loan benefit once, but that's simply not true. You can use your VA loan multiple times throughout your life. In fact, you can even have more than one VA loan at the same time, depending on your entitlement and circumstances. Myth number 2, you can't use the VA loan to buy an expensive home. There used to be VA loan limits, but as of 2020, qualified veterans with full entitlement can buy a home without worrying about loan limits. The only factor that affects how much you can borrow is how much the lender is willing to approve based on your financial situation. This gives you a lot more freedom than people think. Myth number 3, you need a perfect credit score to qualify. While your credit score is always an important factor in getting a loan, the VA loan is a bit more forgiving than conventional loans. Generally, lenders look for a score of around 620 or higher. Some may work with lower scores, depending on the situation. The VA program is designed to help veterans and service members achieve homeownership, even if the credit isn't spotless. Myth number 4, VA loans are only for single-family homes. Not true. You can use a VA loan to buy a variety of property types, including single-family homes, condos, townhomes, and even multifamily properties like a duplex or a fourplex. Imagine living in one unit and renting out the others. As long as you live in one of the units, the VA loan can work for multifamily properties, which could be a great way to build wealth. Myth number 5, VA loans take forever to close. There's a belief that VA loans take much longer to process than other types of loans. However, the truth is that the timeline for VA loans is very comparable to conventional loans. As long as you're working with a lender who is experienced with VA loans, the process can move smoothly. On average, a VA loan closes in 30 to 45 days, just like most other loan types. And if you don't know a local lender, I've got you covered with that too. Myth number 6, you have to pay mortgage insurance. With most loans, if you put down less than 20%, you're required to pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI. But with a VA loan, there's no PMI, regardless of your down payment amount. This can save you a significant amount of money each month, making the VA loan an even better deal compared to conventional loans. Myth number 7, you need to make a down payment. One of the biggest benefits of the VA loan is that you can buy a home with 0 down payment. That's right, no down payment is required for qualified buyers. This is a game changer, especially for those who don't have a large chunk of savings for a down payment. Keep in mind that your closing costs and your down payment are 2 different things, so make sure you are prepared for closing cost expenses. Myth number 8, only veterans can use the VA loan. The VA loan is not just for veterans. It's also available to active duty service members, certain members of the National Guard and Reserves, and in some cases, surviving spouses of veterans who have died in the line of duty or due to a service-related disability. If you're currently serving or have served, you should check your eligibility. You might be surprised. Myth number 9, you can't use a VA loan to refinance. VA loans aren't just for purchasing homes. They can also be used for refinancing. Whether you want to lower your interest rate or take cash out from your home's equity, the VA offers two refinancing options: the interest rate reduction refinance loan and the VA cash out refinance. Both can be incredibly helpful tools for managing your home loan. Myth number 10, VA loans aren't worth the hassle. Some people think the VA loan is too complicated or has too much red tape, but that's just not true. In fact, with no down payment requirement, no PMI, competitive interest rates, and a more lenient credit score requirement, the VA loan is often much easier to work with than conventional loans. The key is working with a lender and a real estate agent who understand the process and can guide you through it smoothly. It's truly worth it. So there you have it, the top 10 myths about the VA loan. If you've been holding back from using your VA loan benefit because of one of these myths, I hope this video cleared things up for you. The VA loan is an incredible tool that can help you and your family achieve your homeownership goals without the stress or barriers of other loan types. If you have any questions or need additional information, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact info is below, and I'd be more than happy to guide you through the process of moving to Kansas City. Whether you're looking for a new home or just want to learn more about what KC has to offer, I'm here to help. And if you're a service member or a military family, I'm here to help you with the unique aspects of moving while active duty or retired. As a military spouse for 30 years and now on the retired side, I know firsthand what you're going through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on everything happening in Kansas City. Until next time, I look forward to showing you around and helping you make KC your new home.